नमस्कार दोस्तों, वेलकम टू एसबीआई सिक्योरिटीज़ मॉर्निंग पॉडकास्ट। इस पॉडकास्ट में हम डिस्कस करेंगे सितंबर सीरीज़ के रोल ओवर डेटा के बारे में, मार्केट के कुछ की लेवल्स और सेक्टर्स जो आने वाले सीरीज़ में फोकस में रह सकते हैं। सितंबर सीरीज़ में इंडेक्स ने पहले हाफ में एक स्टेडी अपवर्ड ट्रेजेक्ट्री दिखाई। 24,478 के लो से शुरू होकर लगभग 1047 पॉइंट्स का ग्रेजुअल राइज हुआ 15 ट्रेडिंग सेशंस में, जो एक सस्टेन बुलिश सेंटिमेंट को रिफ्लेक्ट करता है। ये अपवर्ड मोमेंटम 18 सितंबर को 25,525 के लेवल पर रुक गया, लेकिन उसके बाद इंडेक्स एक करेक्टिव फेस में एंटर कर गया। अगले 8 कॉन्जिक्यूटिव ट्रेडिंग सेशंस में इंडेक्स लगातार रेड में क्लोज हुआ, जो परसिस्टेंट सेलिंग प्रेशर को दिखाता है। ये प्रोलॉन्ग डिक्लाइन ना सिर्फ पहले के गेंस को रिवर्स कर गया, बाकी सीरीज़ के फर्स्ट हाफ में जो अपवर्ड मूव हुआ था उससे भी लगभग वाइप आउट कर दिया और इंडेक्स को वापस अपने इनिशियल लेवल्स तक ले आया। स्टेडी रैली से शार्प करेक्शन का ये शिफ्ट रीसेंट अपट्रेंड की फ्रेजिलिटी को हाईलाइट करता है और आगे के लिए कॉशन की ज़रूरत बताता है। Despite the volatility, Nifty futures ended the series with a marginal gain of 0.51%. On the derivative front, the rollover of Nifty futures dipped slightly with a high open interest to 82.60% in September compared to 83.63% in August, but remained comfortably above the 3-month average of 80.65%. बैंक निफ्टी फ्यूचर्स ने सितंबर सीरीज़ के पहले हाफ में एक स्टेडी राइज दिखाया, लेकिन 56,000 मार्क को डिसाइसिवली क्रॉस करने में फेल रहा। ये रेजिस्टेंस सेकेंड हाफ में एक शार्प करेक्शन ट्रिगर कर गया, जिसने पहले के गेंस को इरेज कर दिया। वॉलेटिलिटी के बावजूद इंडेक्स ने सीरीज़ को 1.39% के गेन के साथ एंड किया। ऑन द डेरिवेटिव फ्रंट, द रोल ओवर डिप टू 78.45%, लोअर देन ऑगस्ट 80.90% एंड ऑल्सो बिलो द 3-month एवरेज ऑफ 79.11%. indicating slightly reduced trader participation. However, the rollover cost surged to 0.69%, which is higher than the 3 months average of 0.63%, suggesting a more expensive carry forward of positions. In the new derivative series, the FI long short ratio has dropped to an all-time low of 5.98%. Notably, for the past several months, this ratio has consistently remained below the 20% mark, representing the longest stretch in recent history, where FIs have maintained a predominantly short bias in index futures. This persistent bearish positioning reflects caution among FIIs and suggests limited conviction in the upside potential of the market in the near term. Such extreme readings often warrant close monitoring as they can precede sharp reversals or heightened volatility. Going ahead, key levels की बात करें, so the last line of defense, that is the 200-day EMA zone of 24,400 to 24,350 level, will act as an important support for the index. Any sustainable move below the level of 24,350 will lead to a further correction in the index up to the 24,000 level. On the upside, the 24,800 to 24,850 will act as a crucial hurdle for the index. Any sustainable move above the level of 24,850 will lead to a pullback rally up to the 25,100 level. Over the past 50 trading sessions, the India Volatility Index, that is India VIX, has displayed an unusually calm and stable behavior, consistently oscillating within a narrow band of 13.46 and 9.39. This prolonged phase of low volatility suggests a lack of fear or uncertainty among market participants, often seen during periods of steady price action. Interestingly, on September 18, India VIX registered its lowest close ever at 9.88, marking a historic low in volatility expectations. Such suppressed levels of VIX typically indicate complacency in the market, which can sometimes precede sharp moves or trend reversals. Traders may need to stay alert as prolonged long volatility phases often lead to sudden spikes when sentiment shifts. Going forward, the 13 to 13.5 zone on India VIX will act as a crucial threshold. The index has consistently remained below this band, reflecting low volatility and stable market sentiment. However, any sustained breakout above 13.5 could signal a shift in the tone, potentially triggering a sharp rise in the overall market volatility. Seasonality की बात करें तो over the past 18 years, the month of October has often exhibited a bullish trend for Nifty. On 13 occasions, the index has concluded on a positive note with an average gain of 4%, while on 5 occasions it has ended on a negative note with an average loss of 11.48%. The average return for Nifty in the October series has been minus 0.3%, and over the past 18 years, October has consistently shown an average volatility of 10.4% for the Nifty index. Talking about the key sectors to watch or the potential outperforming sectors based on the rollover data and the price action. So PSU banks, oil and gas, CPSE, PSE, financial services and metal. These sectors are likely to continue their outperformance in the upcoming series. Whereas on the flip side, if we look at the potential underperforming sectors based on the rollover data and price action, so IT, realty, consumer durables, FMCG, capital market, pharma, healthcare, and India tourism, these sectors are likely to underperform. So that's a wrap of today's edition of Morning Podcast. Thank you for listening. Do tune in tomorrow for more such market updates and insights. Thank you.
Investment in securities market are subject to market risks. Read all the related documents carefully before investing.